Looking for the best treadmill to help you stay active and reach your fitness goals in 2026? In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best treadmills of 2026. We'll cover their features, performance, pros, cons, and help you find the perfect treadmill for your fitness journey. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Foldable treadmill with auto incline. This treadmill features a spacious 49-inch by 18-inch running surface, making it comfortable for both walking and running workouts. Powered by a 3.5 HP brushless motor, it can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour while maintaining quiet operation. One of its biggest highlights is the automatic incline system, allowing users to simulate uphill training and burn more calories. The treadmill also supports up to 350 pounds and includes app connectivity for tracking workouts and progress. Pros: large running surface, powerful 3.5 HP brushless motor, automatic incline function, supports up to 350 pounds, foldable design, no installation required. For users looking for a treadmill that combines performance, convenience, and durability, this model checks nearly every box. It's ideal for serious walkers, joggers, and runners who want a reliable home fitness solution. Number 2. NordicTrack T Series. Known for combining quality construction with advanced fitness technology, the T Series offers smooth performance, interactive training features, and a user-friendly design. The treadmill integrates with iFit training programs, giving users access to professional coaching, guided workouts, and virtual running routes from around the world. Its cushioned running deck helps reduce impact on joints, making it suitable for long workouts and regular use. Pros: trusted fitness brand, iFit interactive training support, comfortable cushioned deck, foldable design, smooth and reliable operation. Great for beginners and experienced users. The NordicTrack T Series remains a favorite because it delivers a premium workout experience while offering motivation through interactive fitness content. It's a great option for users who enjoy guided training programs. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness OneClick Fold Smart Treadmill. This treadmill stands out for its convenience and ease of use. It arrives fully assembled and features a one-click folding mechanism that makes storage incredibly simple. The treadmill includes automatic incline functionality and integrates with the SunnyFit app, providing access to workout tracking, training programs, and performance monitoring. Its spacious 20-inch running surface provides plenty of room for comfortable workouts. Pros: fully assembled out of the box, one-click folding system, auto incline functionality, SunnyFit app integration, easy storage, comfortable running deck. This treadmill is perfect for users who want a hassle-free setup and an easy-to-store design. It's especially appealing for busy households where convenience matters most. Number 4. Home treadmill with 15% auto incline. Powered by a quiet 3.5 HP motor, this treadmill offers multiple workout options, including 12 built-in HIIT programs designed to maximize calorie burn and improve cardiovascular fitness. A large LED touchscreen display makes it easy to monitor workout metrics, while smart app integration adds additional training flexibility. The treadmill supports users up to 300 pounds and arrives fully assembled for quick setup. Pros: 15% automatic incline, 12 built-in HIIT programs, quiet motor performance, large touchscreen display, smart app connectivity, fully assembled. This treadmill offers an excellent balance between affordability and functionality. The incline range and HIIT programs make it a strong choice for users focused on weight loss and endurance training. Number 5. 6-in-1 Walking Pad Treadmill. This unique design combines a walking pad, treadmill, workstation, and incline trainer into one compact package. It features a 3.0 HP motor, multiple incline levels, a removable desk, adjustable handlebars, RGB lighting, app connectivity, and remote control operation. The foldable design makes it particularly attractive for apartments, home offices, and smaller workout spaces. Pros: compact, space-saving design, multiple workout modes, adjustable incline levels, removable work desk, app and remote control support, easy storage. If you're looking for a treadmill that doubles as a workstation and fits into smaller spaces, this 6-in-1 model offers exceptional versatility. It's perfect for walking while working and maintaining daily activity levels. Those were our picks for the top 5 best treadmills of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall performance, the foldable treadmill with auto incline delivers commercial-level features and outstanding durability. The NordicTrack T Series remains one of the best choices for interactive training and guided workouts. The Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Treadmill excels in convenience and ease of use, while the Home Treadmill with 15% auto incline offers excellent value for fitness-focused users. And if space-saving versatility is your top priority, the 6-in-1 Walking Pad Treadmill is a fantastic solution. See you in the next video.